Hello guys, welcome back. So once again, GL setting itself. Now, so in GL setting, what we have done, guys, we have done the configuration part, in the sense creation of chart of account, account group, written on a account. These all are configurations, and this is done by you people. It means consultants. Now, if you talk about the creation of GL master, so this is ongoing process. Ongoing process means, let's suppose every after a certain time, what will happen? There will be requirement from business to set up the GL account and all. So it can be maintained by even consultant as well, or else it can be maintained by end user also. It depends upon client whether they themselves want to maintain or they want us to maintain this GL accounts and all. So initially what is happening, guys, we are going to set up some GL account so that at least we can post the transactions. Until now, whatever what to say configurations we have done, right? So now it's time to correlate these all configurations. Look at them. I'll explain one by one how system is going to trigger these all settings and all. So, and every settings, as I told you, every certain control, every configuration steps are having certain control. Okay, so if you understand the logic, then it is pretty easy to understand each and everything. And this is how you guys are going to, if you go for the interviews and all, you'll be able to understand the questions. Right now, so how to set up this GL account, guys? Use a transaction code. This is the very famous transaction code, guys. FX00. Press enter. Okay, and you guys are going to receive, like, you guys are going to get screen like this. Okay, nothing will be there, simply it will be like this. Okay, now what you have to do, I'll recommend to do one thing, guys. You just give your company code here first of all, and then click on setting, and then you need to click on hierarchy display. Okay, must give your company code first. First of all, you have to give your company code, then click on setting and hierarchy display. Here you need to select display account in navigation tree. What is the benefit if you are going to select this display account for navigation tree, guys? That I'll show you. Press enter. So if you press enter, now what is happening, guys? So there was a pop-up box. Actually, system is saying that the changes will appear only if you are going to refresh this screen. So how to refresh the screen, guys? So once again, we are going to use the same transaction code provided. You have to add /n FX00 and press enter. Look at here, guys. Now the appearance of this screen got changed. Earlier, this area, the left side, whatever this blank space is there, that was not appearing. Right now it is because of that change. If it here, guys, whichever GL accounts are going to be set up, whatever GL accounts you are going to create here in right side, after creation, those GL account list will appear here in left side. So easily you can find out, like, okay, how many GL I have created, how many GL numbers you have used at all. So now we'll do one thing. First of all, in first session, I'll show you how to create the GL account, and still there are some more things, guys. Even field controls also we have to see. So first of all, just see how to set up the GL account, how to create the GL account, guys. It's very simple, pretty simple. What you need to do, you need to click on here, create button. Look at here, the blank page. Always wherever you find the symbol, guys, this is a symbol of create only. This blank page, and upper side, this right corner is small, like it's folded, right? So this is your create button, and this is called display. This is change button and all. If you have to make any edit, it is going to be used. This is copy and all. You just do one thing. First of all, you need to click on create button. Click here. Okay, then what? Then the first GL which we are going to create is what? So now I'll just do one thing here. We have discussed about this account group. No worries, I'll just do one thing. So let's suppose I have quoted the example of rent account, debit to bank account, right? And this is debit and this is credit. This is debit and this is credit. So now rent account is one GL and bank account is another GL. It means we need to set up minimum 2 GL account. Then only we will be able to post our transactions, and then we can check. Whether whatever configurations we have done is working fine or not, or is there still any issues, are there anything is missing and all, right? So you just do one thing, guys. So here what I'll do, okay, So now create the GL account. So now, first of all, so here system is saying that you have to give a GL code. It means GL number. So which number supposed to be given for rent account? Now here, this rent account is the part of which account group? Assets, liability, revenue, expenses, and others. So I'll tell you guys, rent is the part of expense. Okay, this account group. And against this account group, which number range I have given? 4,000 to 4,999. Look at here, guys. If you're not able to remember, you can create one more session. So here, how to create the session, guys? Here itself, you can click. And so now one more session is going to be created. Now here in this session, what you have to do, guys? You just do one thing. You OB D4. So here we have created our account group. I'll just give chart of account TM PCOA. This is what our chart of account, right? So against this chart of account, look at here expense account group. This is what the number range I have given, 4,000 to 4,999. So what number you are going to use, guys? The first number itself we are going to use, that is 4,000, because rent is going to be set up under expense account group. So 4,000 select. Now, as I told you, first of all, what is happening? You have to select the account group. Okay, expense account group I have selected. There might be a question in your mind: what will happen if I'm going to, if user or creator of the GL account by mistake, if the creator, in the sense the candidate has selected a wrong account group? So I'll tell you guys, it is impossible. You cannot select a wrong account group. Okay, so here itself, you must have to select expense account group itself. If you are going to select wrong account group, let's suppose liability, immediately system is going to throw an error. What error? So look at here, account group LIAB is nothing but liability. It is showing 4-digit code, that 4-digit code which we have given here. Look at here, LIAB. LIAB means liability account group. So system is saying that this account group LIAB, it means liability, defined for which one? 2002. It is defined for 2002 to 299. It means it is saying that okay, it means it is saying that this account group means what is the number range? 2000 to 299. 2000 to 299. And okay, so it means, and here number GL number which I have given is 4,000 rupees. Sorry, I said like 4,000, right? GL code is 4,000. Okay, so here what is happening, guys? Of course, like system is able to search here in account group and system found for liability different number range we have given, whereas here the number GL number is different. So you must have to select, guys. There is no any other options. You must have to select expense account group only. If you are going to select any other account group, system is going to find out where in OBD4 against other what number range, 5,000 to 5,999. What about the GL account number which we have given? It is 4,000. So is it falling under this range? This is not falling under this range. It means the combination is not correct, right? So you have to select the correct account group itself. Now then only the fields are going to be highlighted. Now here you have to select here P&L statement account or balance sheet, whether this GL is the part of P&L or it is the part of balance sheet. I'll tell you guys, when you receive request from client side, okay, so there are some because there are several people who is not from finance and account background, so how they will come to know whether it is balance sheet account or P&L statement account, right? Whoever the candidates are there, like even multiple BTech candidates are working as a FICO consultant, or non-financial account background people are also working as a FICO consultant, several. So what will happen? How these people will be able to understand that whether this is the part of P&L statement account or balancing? So I'll tell you guys, this is not like, even though if somebody knows that rent account is the part of P&L statement, still we are not because this GL account is created for clients, right? For a particular client. So what is happening? Here the client is going to decide. Client is going to decide that this GL account, whichever is going to be set up, is the part of P&L statement or balance sheet. Which number, the GL code is also going to, they'll be having a template, guys. In that template itself, they are going to fill up all the details. What should be the nomenclature in the sense name of the GL account? What should be the GL code under which account group it is going to be set up, right? This GL is the part of P&L statement or balance sheet. These all things are going to be, information will be given by client. You have to just set up it. You need to set up. Okay, so creation of master data also we can say, guys, creation of master data is also just like a kind of data entry work itself. There is nothing much think over there. Simply you got the details from client side, and based on the details what is happening, either consultant or end user, whoever is there, is going to set up this GL account. So now here expense account group I have selected, and this is the part of P&L statement, because we know that rent account is expense, so it's a part of P&L. Expense and revenue is the part of P&L, and this what to say, assets and liability is the part of balance sheet account, right? So now here I'm going to give short text. Now here, what is there in short text and long text, guys? There are certain GL account which is having a very long name. Long name means might be 40 characters, 50 characters, 35 characters. So first of all, you have to give a small name here, and then the complete name can be given. Here field length is, I think, 16 digits only, that you need to count it. Again, let me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20 characters. The field length is 20 character. Here it is more. Here more. I think double or almost. That also you can count it. I forgotten like how much is the length. So now here, rent account. Here in short text also I'm going to give the same thing, and long text also I'm going to give the same thing. Okay, long text means complete name you can give here. Okay, and then click on control data. I'll tell you guys, when you set up a GL account, then these are the three fields. These are the three fields are going to be filled by people. Apart from this keyword is having a quite different logic, guys. Even like few, just I'll tell you guys, few months back, even I was also not aware, because there are multiple fields. If you talk about SAP, in SAP, there are multiple fields are there, guys. Right? It doesn't mean that you know the logic behind each and every field. Still, there are multiple country-specific settings are also there. So now it is having a different logic, but in real time, what is happening? This first, second, and third, these three tabs itself are going to be used. It is going to be used for creation of GL account. Apart from this remaining, let's suppose this information, this is going to be updated automatically. Okay, right now nothing is appearing. Once you save the GL account, automatically here certain details are going to appear. What it is, who has created this GL account, on which date this GL account got created. So you need not to worry about these fields. Only types and descriptions. Here you have to give the short text and long text. You need to select whether it is the part of P&L statement, and account group, whether it is expense or revenue or whatever the account group is there. Just click on control data tab. Here the currency is appearing automatically, guys. Currency by default system has picked the currency. So where it is coming from, guys, I'll tell you. Whenever you create the GL account, you have given your company code. So from company code, at the time of creation of company code, you might have given a currency over there. Without currency, it is not possible to set up the company code. So whatever currency you have given against your company code, the same currency has been copied here at the time of GL creation of GL accounts. Okay. Now, even if you want to set up GL account in a different currency also, it is possible. You can set up in a different currency also. I mean to say, except apart from your company code currency, if you want to set up GL account in a different currency also, you can set up. Okay. But again, let's suppose I have created a GL account. Okay. Or is sometimes what happens, like okay, GL account, I created a GL account. Some transactions we have posted in your local currency, right? Let's suppose this 1000, 2000, whereas I have posted this transaction in a different currency, foreign currency. Okay, foreign currency. If you're from India, then this is your foreign currency. If you're in USA, then this INR or GBP or whatever it is there, that is your foreign. It means the currency, whichever currency other than your company code currency, is going to be treated as a foreign currency, right? Your company code currency is your local currency. If your company code you have set up in which currency, guys? USD currency, that is your local currency. If your company code you have set up in GBP, then that is or it's euro, then that is going to be treated as a local currency, right? And apart from that, company code currency, all currencies are going to be treated as a foreign currency. So now here, let's suppose these are the transactions, right? If you have a look on the overall balance, total balance, then how much it is, guys? 3,500. But is it, if you publish your financial statement, so rent account is your expense account, right? So if you have to show like, okay, total rent payable or total rent we have paid in this particular year, let's suppose whatever the expenses are there, let's suppose if it is going to publish. So here 3,500 is not a correct figure, right? So what will happen? You must have to, here the currency, whatever this USD is there, that must be converted into, the value must be converted into local currency, right? So it means whenever, even though if you are going to post a transaction, in foreign currency also, but still system should convert that foreign currency transactions into your local currency. Then only you are going to get the balance in your local currency, guys, right? So now what will happen, guys? For that, you have to apply a check mark here, only balances in local currency. Okay. Apart from this, these other fields are also there, guys, because even in upcoming session also we are going to create the GL masters. GL accounts are going to be created, and there also some more fields are going to be used over there. So that logic you will come to know, like reconciliation. Look at here, like this reconciliation account type. So once I start account payable, account receivable, there I'm going to use this, right? Now open item management also, I'm not going to explain right now anything. Open item management means, what is this open item managed GL account, guys? That also you'll come to know later in upcoming sessions. Okay, which GL account we are going to manage open item basis and what should be the logic behind, what is the logic behind that. Right now you just do one thing, do one more settings here, line item display. Okay, line item display. So you need to click on line item display. What is the logic behind this line item display, guys? Let's suppose we have posted multiple against your rent account. We have posted multiple transactions. Okay, multiple transactions. So whatever transactions are getting posted, guys, whatever transactions are going to be posted. So look at here, these all transactions have been posted, right? This is a different transactions. This is a different transactions. Every transactions are different transactions, right? And if you talk about the overall balance, it is 12,000. So it is around 22,500. So it is 22,500. This is what the overall balances. So now here, if you check the rent GL account, if you check the GL report, rent GL report, so it is going to show you this figure. But this figure means what, guys? This figure is the consolidated balance, right? So how 22,500, in that the contribution is there, multiple transactions have been posted, guys, and then this all transaction balances all together, it is going to show you 22,500. So if you want to see transaction wise, then what will happen? You must have to apply a check mark. Okay, if you apply a check mark on line item display, the system is going to show you the overall balances along with all the transactions whichever is posted line item wise, in the sense line by line, system is going to show all the transactions, and then at bottom you'll be getting the consolidated figure also. Okay, if you don't apply the check mark, then simply you'll be getting this figure only, and in this figure the contribution belongs to like how many line items, contributions belongs to that, you won't be able to, you won't be knowing this. Why? Because line item check mark you have not, you forgotten to apply. And there'll be some I think actually, guys, again there might be some question in your mind like, okay, what will happen if somebody forget to apply a check mark here in line item display, right, for this open item management, and later on you remember that, okay, this GL was supposed to be this GL was supposed to be open item managed, open item GL and all. So later on, if you remember, meanwhile, if any transaction has been posted against this GL account, guys, and after that if you want to apply a check mark here, the system is going to throw error. Okay, I'm having YouTube channel, that channel name is also Kumar Consulting itself, guys, that already I have recorded the video on this one and I have uploaded. Okay, if you forgotten to apply a check mark on line item display, if you forgotten to apply a check mark on open item management, and you created this GL account, you saved this GL account, and you have posted already certain transactions against this GL account, right? And after that again you have to apply the check mark here, then what will happen? System is going to throw error. So what is the solution is already uploaded. The video I have uploaded over there. If possible, you can watch it. Now, so here what is happening? This line item display. Now sort key. Sort key means here you can do one thing. Give a sort key here, 001. Standard sort key I'm going to give. Okay, standard sort key I'm going to give. What is the logic behind this sort key, guys? There is a logic. That logic also I'll explain. But right now theoretically itself, if you see the GL report, if you're going to see the GL report, then there'll be multiple fields are going to appear. Like multiple fields are going to appear means, let's suppose this rent GL account, right? So this is called amount segment, right? Then after what is happening? Currency segment will be there, right? Then you'll be having a reference field will be there. Then you'll be having text field will be there, right? You'll be having posting date, you'll be having document date, right? Likewise, you'll be having, like, I'll just delete this one. Then you'll be having, let's suppose, assignment field also. So now Document date, posting date is going to be updated by system based on our input. Whatever input at the time of posting transactions, what is happening, guys? We are going to give certain input. Okay, what should be the document date? What should be the posting date? The difference between document date and posting date will be explained later in upcoming session, guys. In account payable, we are having a topic called terms of payment. So there I'll explain. But right now, what is happening? So this document date, currency, reference, everything is going to be updated by system. But if you talk about this assignment field. So this assignment field is getting updated automatically. How system is going to update the assignment field, guys? Again, there is a logic behind that. I'll try to create a sort key, guys, and then I'll explain the. But right now, you just understand theoretically. Sort key I've given posting date, right? So if you have given sort key as a posting date, then this sort key is going to update assignment field automatically. So here assignment field is going to be updated by posting key automatically. Assignment field is going to be, sorry, posting date automatically. Assignment field will be updated by what? By which value? So since you are in sort key, I have selected posting date. So posting date is automatically getting updated here in assignment field. Okay, the more logic you guys will be able to understand once I cover this topic. Don't worry. This is what I use. So let me do one thing. Let me create this GL account. Look at here how much time it is taking, guys, right, for the explanations. Now you click on create bank interest, and here you are going to give field status group C001. And then post automatically dot apply a check mark here. There is a different logic again. You save it, Control S. So once you save the GL account, look at here, the rent GL got created, and your left side it is appearing that under expense account group, one GL got created. Now, so in order to post the transaction, since we have to post the transaction, guys, and I told you there is a logic here also. Field status group. What is the logic? I'll explain during transaction posting. Okay. See, everything is what to say, quite easy. It depends upon the what to say faculty, the way they are going to explain, right? So here the thing is like, if I say like field status group, this field status group controls the fields of transaction data. But the question is how it is going to control the fields of transaction data, right? So that is why I'm saying that this is going to be explained practically, so that, see, practically if you're going to have a look on these all things, guys, then it will be quite easy to remember, right? And you need not to search the Google definitions and all. If you're having understanding, you can make your own definitions, right? It's 10 times. Let's suppose if I'm going to ask a question 10 times, if you have a thorough understanding of that particular topic, then all these 10 times you are going to give, you're going to explain the logic, but we'll be having some different words, different sentences. Every time words and sentences are going to be changed. Okay, but the meaning will be same. The meaning will be same. Whereas if you have marked up something from Google, or you have searched, definitions from Google, and if you have marked up simply, and if somebody is going to ask this question, going to ask the questions, and you started recollecting all those things which you have marked up, which you have noted down from Google. So even if I ask 100 times also, guys, all the same line which you have marked up, right? Same words will be there, same sentence will be there, same comma, same full stop, everything. There won't be even a single % differences. But there is a problem, because let's suppose you have marked up something, and in between, like it's 4-line definition is there, 5-line definition is there, and in between like 1 or 2 line, if you missed out, then the entire what do you say, the definition itself is going to be changed, isn't it? So always try to understand the things. So look at here, we have created the GL account, right? Now what is happening? If you need to edit, you can select this GL account, click on change button, and then here you can make the changes. But right now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to create the next GL account, that is bank GL account. So either you have to click on create, or else if you're going to create a similar GL account, then you can click on copy button also. So bank GL is not similar to rent GL account, but still I'm going to I'm going to click on copy button. There is a reason, I'll tell you. Click on copy. Now you guys just think, now you're going to set up the bank GL account. So what should be your GL number? Put some pressure on your mind, right? I think what should be the GL number? Hope you guys will be able to. So how we are going to identify the GL number? Just now I have shown you guys before creation of the GL account for NGL how I have identified the GL account number. So first of all, you need to, so again, I think let's suppose if you came to know that okay, this GL that is bank account GL number is so and so, it's okay. If you still are unable to understand what should be the GL number, so then first of all you have to think this bank account is going to be set up under which account group. So the answer is asset account group. And what is the number range of asset account? Look at here. What is the number range of asset account group, guys? 1000 to 1999. I think this session has taken too much time. It's become a bit long. So anyway, I always try to record small sessions with more explanation so that it won't be much boring. Now, so here 1000 because bank account is going to be part of assets, right? And what number range I have given at the time of defining asset account group? 1000 to 1999. So first year is going to be set up. That is why I have given 1000. This one. Now we'll do one thing. Press enter. So look at here. Since we have copied the rent account, right? We have copied the rent account. So whatever the information is there on this rent account, that is copied here. So now first of all, you need to change your account group. Okay. Then the next one is this is a bank account. I'm going to set up HDFC bank account. So this is the part of balance sheet, guys, because asset is the part of balance sheet, right? Now here I'm going to change the name HDFC bank account. And why I copied? Because only these are the information which is going to be changed. Apart from this, if you talk about the control data, if you talk about the interest bank, so these data will be as it is. There won't be any changes. Just save it, Control S. So now we get here, guys, 2 GL accounts we have created. And if you the informations, then look at here, it is created by Kumar, and on which date it is created. So on this date it is created. So this is going to be updated automatically. What you need to update, guys, this types of descriptions, control data, and create bank interest. These 3 tabs are going to be updated. So we have created this GL account. We have created the GL account. Still, there are some more things, guys. As I told you that let's suppose we have created the account group. Okay, an account group controls the fields of GL master, right? So whatever these fields are there, guys, that is going to be controlled by account group. But the question is how. So that I'll show you practically once again, because account group already we have set up, but still I have to show you how it is going to control the fields. So that is going to be explained in next session.